All right, number 9, we want to know what is the sale price of a softball if the regular price is $5.96 and there is a 7% discount. Okay, so I like to think about these as what percent am I paying? So we have 100%. We are taking away 7%, which means we are paying 93%. That's what I'm paying. So I'm going to use this 93% and multiply it by the cost. So the cost is $5.96. 93 as a decimal would be 0.93. So if we multiply these two, this is going to give me the discounted price. 93% of this is the price with a 7% discount. So let's go compute that here. We're going to do 5.96 times 0.93, and we get 5.5428. It says round to the nearest cent, so to 2 decimal places, this 4. 2 is not big enough to round it up, so just 5.54. Okay, 10 says if 1/5 cup serving of Crunch's breakfast has 5.5% of the minimum daily requirement, how many cups would you have to eat to obtain the minimum daily requirement? So 1/5 has 0.5% as a decimal. That's 0.005. Move that decimal over 2 times. And we want to know what portion of this would be in 100%. But first, we want to know in terms of cups. This is 1/5 of a cup. Okay. So in order to get in terms of cups, I need to multiply this by 5. Okay. So multiplying by 5 will give me 1 cup has 0.005 should be 0.025. Okay. So let's just verify. 0.005 times 5, 0.025. Okay. So 1 cup has 2.5%, or this number. We want to know how many cups would we have for 100%, because that's the daily amount. Daily amount is 100%. All right, so we're just going to cross multiply and solve. So we'll get 100 is equal to the 0.025x, and I'm almost thinking that we need to change this to a decimal, because this is 100% since I changed that to a decimal. So it really should be something over 1 as a decimal. Otherwise, I should do this as 2.5. So got to be careful, because I've changed 1 to a decimal and left the other one as a percentage. So I really want to look at this as 1, or look at this as 2.5 if I'm going to do 100, because it was still as a percentage, just the number. All right, so 1 is what I really want to do. 1 times 1 would give me 1 is equal to 0.025x. Got to be careful there. All right, now divide by 0.025 on both sides. Okay, so 1, because I converted it to a decimal instead of leaving it percentage. 1 divided by 0.025. It will give us 40. And what I was mentioning, since I converted this from percent to decimal, I should have been doing, I would have been doing percentages if I'd have left it. When I multiplied that by 5, it's 2.5%, and then equals x over 100. So then I would be doing 100 divided by 2.5, which is just verify 100 divided by 2.5. We also get 40. Okay, so this means that you would have to eat 40 cups, okay, of this to get your minimum daily requirement.